Now I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Valentine's Day gift or wreath bow. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to cut a piece long enough so that I can fold it in half and lay it into the Bowdabra, but also so that I can tie it onto a wreath if I choose to use this as a wreath bow. So I'm just going to tuck this down. Then I'm going to take my tails, lay those down into my Bowdabra. I've already dovetailed the ends, and now we're just going to make a loopy bow. So all we're doing is just folding and twisting, and I'm just going to fold and twist, and by twisting I make sure that the wrong side of the ribbon is on the inside of my loop. So I'm going to just fold that back over and twist it and fold it and twist it and fold and twist and fold and twist. So I'm just going to keep fold and twist. Now it would be great if you wouldn't mind clicking the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time we come out with a new video or when we go live. And now I'm going to put in my little flowers. Just lay those down in here, my roses. And then to cover the rose stems, I'm going to take my beautiful little rose ribbon and we're going to put the right side down. And I'm just going to make a shoelace bow. So I'm just going to bring this back over here and do the same thing on this side. Just bring that over here. And then I'm going to take my wand, give everything a good push, and bring this up, bring it through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate my ends, bring it around to the back, tie a knot, and tie another knot. And I'm not going to tie this onto a wreath, so I'm going to cut my wire a little bit short here, but you could definitely tie it onto a wreath or use it as a gift bow. Let's make such a pretty Valentine's Day gift bow. Bring our roses into the middle and pop this out here and and now all I'm doing is just separating my loops and bringing them here. And we're just going to, because it's a wired ribbon, I can just kind of puff out my loops the way that I want. And bring my tails down, bring these tails down. And now you have this absolutely, let's bring this up here, absolutely beautiful, let's put this right side up, beautiful Valentine's Day bow. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.